People, this is called Guaco bush. Guaco, yeah. Most of you know it, most of you don't. If you go up on the riverbank, you see plenty all over the riverbank. You see this now, it's good for asthma. Yeah, man, if you have asthma, it's good for asthma. If you lose your appetite, if you can't eat, and you drink this, good for you. It's good for hoarse throat. You're not sure you feel hoarse? Yeah, good for it. It's good for coughing. Remember me, it's good for coughing. It's good for allergies, said we are. Whole it more things, you know. Whole it more things. It's good to purge your blood. And you also can bathe with to take off rash, liver spot and everything there for you. You know what I mean? Yes, so right now we're bathe right now. Yeah, people, I tell you, good to bathe with. Take off liver spot, take off rash. Yeah, man. Good to purge your blood and boil it as tea. Guaco. So it means. Stop.